Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us a Bluetooth earphone, and it's not like another regular earphone, but it's the bone conduction earphone from S.Wear. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and find out how they perform. So let's start. Bone conduction earphones usually comes with a higher price tag, but we found these S.Wear BH128 earphone on banggood.com. The price of these earphones is approximately 4000 rupees, and if you like them, then do check the buy link in the description below. So here is the box. On the top it says bone conduction earphone, and in the middle we have the picture of the earphone, and here is the tagline, free from constraint. On the side of the box we have the info about the playback time, which is 5 hours, and they are feather light and weighs only 35 grams. And this side, we can see that these earphones are also IP56 water and dust proof. At the back of the box we have the technical specification, and it also shows you how to wear these earphones. So let's open the box and see the content now. So here we have the earphone nicely packed, and let's take them out. My initial impression about them is that the build quality is decent, and to be honest, this will be my first time trying out a bone conduction earphone, so I'm really excited to try them. Now before we check them, let's see what else we get in the box. We get the user manual, and it has the info about the earphone and a basic guide about the bone conduction principle. And here is a micro USB charging cable. We also get earplugs along with these earphones, and about their purpose, I will show you later in this video. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphone closely. The build quality of these earphones is very good, and they're lightweight as well. You can see that these earphone doesn't look like your regular earphone. So those of you who are not aware, the bone conduction earphone works on a different principle than the regular earphones. These type of earphones allows you to hear sound through the vibration on the bones of your face, which is mainly your jawbone and cheekbone. This means that the sound waves are bypassing the outer and the middle ear, which is basically your eardrum, but instead it's directly reaching the inner ear, which is main hearing organ. This technology is there for several years and was mainly used in hearing aid devices. And nowadays, these type of earphones are mainly used in sports, especially by athletes, so that they can listen to the music, but it also allows them to retain full awareness of ambient sounds. You can also use these type of earphone while driving, as you need to be aware of your surrounding, and the bone conduction technology allows you to do that. Now coming back to the earphone, in terms of design, it looks perfect, and the build quality is also pretty good. In terms of physical overview, we have the speakers here, and then we have the navigation buttons for changing tracks and volume. There is also a multifunction button here which allows you to pause and play track, and upon double tapping on it, it will open Google Assistant in Android phones. And here is the charging port of these earphones, which is micro USB. There is also a mic here which will allow you to take calls and use Google Assistant. So let's power it on and pair it with our phone. In order to pair, we need to press and hold the power button, and you will see this flashing red and blue LED lights. It's paired with our phone. Now let's see how it feels. The earphone sits on your ear temple, and they're comfortable to wear. In terms of sound quality and performance, it's really weird to hear the music like that, as the earphones are not inside your ear and you get this strange vibration as well with the music. The sound quality is okay, it's not that good, but it's not that bad either. There is definitely low bass output in these earphones, and instead you get this vibration occasionally wherever there is bass in the music. But overall I find these earphones pretty good, as I was able to enjoy music and movies without disconnecting myself with the outer world. And it's pretty obvious that the bone conduction earphones do not sound as good as the regular earphones. And before we forget the earplugs, I think they are for the purpose. If you want to hear the music loud, just use the earphone with the earplugs. You will experience that the music is now louder and the sound output is better, but this defeats the purpose of making yourself aware of your surrounding. In terms of battery, there is a 120 mAh battery in these earphones, and we got the playback time of approximately 4 to 5 hours, which is again decent. And talking about charging time, it takes around an hour to charge them completely. The company also claims that these earphones can give you 40 minutes of music playback time with just 10 minutes of charge. So overall I find these bone conduction earphones pretty good. They are unique, and if you're using them for the first time, you'll feel a bit strange, but after some time you'll get used to them. The sound quality, as I mentioned earlier, it's not that good but not that bad as well. It's decent and good for casual music on the go. And for movies, they are perfect. When it comes to mic performance, they are average, and you'll have to speak little louder because of the placement of mic which is behind your ear. There are few things which I didn't like about these earphones. First is the neckband which we get in this is not that good, and I wish it had more flex on it because it's hanging in the air at the back, which makes them look really weird. And second thing is that when you raise the volume to full high, they literally vibrates a lot, which is not a pleasant feeling. But keeping in mind their price, which is rupees 4000, I'm not saying they are the best among the other regular earphones, but they are pretty decent when it comes to the bone conduction earphones in this price range. And if you're one of those who love to try new technology, then you can definitely check out these earphones. So that's it guys, these were the S.Wear bone conduction earphone. Let us know if you like them, and also tell us if you have tried bone conduction earphones and how was your experience with them in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.